Hey guys, good morning. This is Crypto Updates. If you have a frozen NFT, you can go to Magic Eden. If it's in Magic Eden place, you can go to their support. Example in this one for today, I have a frozen NFT and I provide the mint address and my wallet address and my transaction on Phantom wallet or Phantom Hash. So this is only they said we need to reach out for the frozen items, so you have to reach out to the collection owners or the one that froze the NFT because it still be applicable to access the frozen NFT. But I have a strong response from the Magic Eden from their support. I said thank you for your response. I understand that the plugin modifications are controlled by the collection creators. And blah, 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 this is what I said. This is their reply. I'm afraid there's nothing you can do or and for a frozen item, sir. They are handled by the collection creators themselves. We have no control or authority over the collection listed on the market. So if you have a frozen NFT, best chance you can go on their Twitter or Discord. Um, I can access you can access your frozen NFT, but now it's frozen, so and it's bye bye. But I have a strong response also here. I said, given the creator is unreachable, I am requesting that Magic Eden escalate this internally to determine if any solution exists for frozen NFTs caused by accessible creators. They need to provide guidance or alternative solutions, secondary marketplace, or any supportive mechanism that could restore the trading access. So, if you can help about the trading access or the unfreeze the NFT, uh, this is only the I need to find a guide for them. Or offer a concentrate timeline or next step for solving the issue. So Magic Eden can help recover your frozen NFT. So you need to go to the collection owners. So I will say thank you the Magic Eden for replying first on this one. I said thank you so much for info, then blah blah blah, and that's all. Guys, if this video helped you, you can like and comment and share about your thoughts about the frozen NFTs and any other stuff.